India is expanding like never before. Cities rise, networks stretch, and the real transformation is happening underground. Power lines, pipelines, fiber networks, all demanding faster, deeper, more precise execution. Because in pipe laying, cable works and drainage, the trench defines the project. Introducing the L&T TRB 60. A next-generation trenching system built for accuracy, productivity, and seamless integration. The TRB 60 prepares the path, cuts the trench and backfills, completing the entire cycle in one continuous operation. Nationally recognized for engineering excellence, it reflects L&T's commitment to innovation and reliability. By unifying preparation, trenching and backfilling, it replaces multiple machines and cuts overall project cost. Heavy-duty cutter chain with conical teeth for clean cuts. High-efficiency auger for precise trench profiles. Auto cutter tilt for perfect verticals on uneven terrain. Auto travel for smooth, fatigue-free trenching. Smart controllers and sensors for real-time performance data. Auto power regulation to adapt to soil hardness. Integrated crumber, backhoe and dozer for a complete workflow. Dual cabins for superior visibility and comfort. Built for a wide range of underground utility works, the TRB 60 is backed by L&T's nationwide service network. Always close, always dependable, L&T TRB 60. The complete trenching solution for India's next chapter of infrastructure.